had just spent some time relevant to this area. If you notice, you'll see this handcraft structure right above our head. Traditionally in Kerala, you find the same kind of structure over deities and over the gods. So we really believe that the guest who enters our hotels on our guest is God. The guest is God. So this is a small welcome from our side to you. We also have this stone, this beautiful bell here.
Like a temple bell.
It is a temple bell, and the idea is it's five metals which are blended together because the vibration is the strongest and it causes positive energy.
I'm already feeling very positive about the meal that I'm going to have.
Wonderful. Also, if I could just point your eyes towards the Vijayanagari coin, that's representative of Lakshmi entering.
It's really beautiful.
So it's an exact replica of how the Vijayanagar. Beautiful rangoli which is made out of marble, and that's the traditional way of welcoming our guests. We used to have a home and a courtyard feel. So it's almost like entering a home. You have the beautiful diya walls to kind of illuminate your entrance. And if you look towards my left, you'll see that there is a courtyard and a balcony. It's like a veranda and a balcony. And you'd have the beautiful roofs to signify that. The structure that you see in the center is the imposing pillar, which in Kerala in the courtyard, these pillars are lit with diyas and they illuminate the entire house, and that's how you'd have light throughout. Here, of course, we thought we would use the carvings on marble to signify the Konkan coast. You'd have the beautiful fishermen and the fish boats catching the freshest of fish, and which I'm sure you'll be eating also today. You have the beautiful carving of the elephant. This is something very unique because a lot of the carvings that you see of the elephants, they both face each other. But in this one, you'd see that the one elephant is facing forward and the second one is facing him. And that shows elephants in exuberation, in celebration. So it's a very positive sign to have that, because otherwise they show conflict. So we wanted to make sure that we only have positivity around the hotel. As you can see, we have an entire live kitchen. So from start to finish, every dish can be seen. It's almost like a theatrical performance right here until it reaches your plate.
Chef Solomon, who is an integral part of the team that created the Vivanta by Taj brand, is cooking up a prawn gussie for us.
The restaurant is divided into two semi-private sections. This one is more of a lounge, so if you were to imagine that you're in somebody's house, then this would be the lounge. And the lounge is crowned or adorned by this beautiful art piece. This is something that we've painstakingly revived. It's an art that used to be very prevalent in the Konkan coast, but over the years it seemed to have lost focus, and we wanted to bring it back because it's a beautiful art. It's actually leather. So if you see these small sections, they're all pieces of leather which have been glued together, and then we've painted on it. We've actually painted the Konkan coast of the belt with the Konkan railway and the coconut trees and things like, and elements that you find on the coast. And then after they painted in a Mario Miranda style, because again that follows the coast, absolutely, from Kasaragod all the way to Mumbai, and so Goa also passes that same element. Post that painting, which we've done, we have made small little holes in the leather, and we've illuminated from the back, which is how you get this effect of the beautiful illuminated. Laterite stone, again this is something that's typically found on the Konkan belt, and it's a porous stone. So the concept of the stone is it would keep, depending on the climate changes, when it's warm it will keep the inside temperatures of the house cool and vice versa.
Like in the olden days you had those.
So we actually needed to get it carved from the belt and then transported here, because there are only certain regions where they do this kind of art.
And are these pickles real or they just display?
So So no, in Kerala homes, actually in most homes, if you notice, Mangalore, Kerala, they all start collecting something that's very intrinsic to their family. So it could be, cutlery, crockery. Some used to in the olden days collect animal heads and things like that. We thought as a house we would collect pickles. So this was representative of that. So those aren't real pickles, but it's representative of the fact that we would be collecting utensils.
Oh yes.
So that's how they would typically, have the rice in one of the spoons and the spices in another, and they would mix it for the entire family.
Yeah.
They have been brought down again from an old temple to kind of string the entire ambiance together. We have only rosewood in the entire restaurant. Rosewood is found in all the elite houses in the south, and we thought it would best represent this restaurant as well. And if you see the work that is on the backs of each of these rosewood chairs, you'd see jute and you'd see banana. So it's the two weaving that were done on chairs in the homes. It's a painstaking process, but we thought that this restaurant deserved an authentic experience and we wanted to create it. So these are tiles on which Mario Miranda has obviously done his beautiful artwork. It strings together the laterite stone as well as representative the Goa section of Kansya.
Okay.
Kansya is actually an alloy of aluminium and copper. And what it does is it regulates your body temperature. So the water that is in the food absorbs some part of the minerals in the metal, and it helps regulate your entire blood pressure and your body temperature. So it's actually a really healthy way of eating.
Maybe one should actually use.
This is what you should be using in your house on a permanent basis. We even leave the water overnight so that the guests who dine here can get the best effect of the metal and the combination with the water.
I know my mother has this little lota at home, and she puts water in it overnight.
So she's a step ahead of the game.
What's that? What's happening?
Whoa, look at that bag. We need to blow the candles. We have a special song from Alvina.
Woo! Happy birthday!
Wish you joy and peace, lasting lifelong. We wish you sunshine, a cheerful little song. We wish you all the happiness this life could ever bring. We wish you in this paradise, let every day be spring. We wish you God's blessings on a special day. Happy, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Woo! Happy birthday!